Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your sway bar endlink bushings that are the rod style. As you can see here, we have two different styles. Today I'm going to be doing the two-piece style bushing. And this will apply to any bushing for any vehicle that has a rod style that follows any of these two. And this is going to be for a Ford Excursion rear sway bar, 30mm sway bar, part number F 4.5187 R. R was standing for red. And here you could see it comes with all the hardware, and here are the actual sway bar bushings that go on the sway bar itself. These connect to the frame and the sway bar. And here you can see the instructions that Energy Suspension has sent us. The instruction first reads, remove the original rubber, the original bushing, and when installing the new polyurethane bushings, to install grease, apply grease to the inner diameter of the rod eye and to the inner and outer diameter of the bushings, all surfaces that contact metal, and apply a light coat of grease to the outer diameter of the sleeve, which is those four right there in the center, and then apply to the faces of the bushings where they're installed, meaning right here on this side. And these sway bar links I got off eBay. I had a friend who took out the inner parts and painted them for me. He used a press and some tools to pry out the old bushing. Yours may have like a C-clip, but that does not have like the little holes for the C-clip pliers. It's just you just like pry it out with like a small screwdriver. And he like bored them out a bit, and then he painted them, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm gonna start right now. But first I want to say how the sway bar bushings go. So you first have a sway bar bushing, then you have this going on top, then you have another sway bar bushing going on top, then you put in a sleeve, which you either tap in with a hammer or you just press it in with your hand depending on the tightness. And then you have a washer that would go on the end. Depending on your vehicle, it'll either go on the inside or on the outside. And then you have your hardware that comes with it, the new grade 8 bolts, and the lock nuts, my bad. So here we go. So here I'm back. I put some grease in here, but I'm spreading it out right now with my finger. And then I have lubed the bushings where they're going to be pressed in. You may just be able to tap them in or just press them in with your hand, or if they are tight in clearances, you might need a press to press them in, a hydraulic press. So let's push these in right now. There we go. As you can see, it went in, and I'm gonna add more grease on the inside right now. Sorry for the. And you do want to be very generous with the grease that comes with the kit. I do recommend getting a tub. I got a tub just in case, since these bushings do take a lot of grease. And this is their Energy Suspension Formula 5 Pre-Lube. It comes in these little packets, or you could get a tub. I have the tub, but it's in there. If I need it, I'll use it. And as you can see, here's the bushings pressed in. You want to be very liberal with the grease. I know I haven't put a lot, but that's just since I'm holding my phone. And what you want to do now is grab the sleeve and we'll put some lube on it too, in the bore where it's gonna slide in. And for this, you may need a hammer to tap it in. And this grease is very sticky. I do recommend wearing gloves. It's very hard doing this one-handed, but you get the point. So I have it halfway there. I'm just gonna tap it in with the hammer now, and pretty much that's it. This will work for any soy bar bushings, or either like your track bars for the four-wheel drives, or any other controller bushings that use a two-style piece. I hope this video helps you, and please make sure to watch for other videos that I have with the energy suspension products for my vehicles. So stay tuned and watch, and I'll upload another video with this for titled as the Ford ones. So there's two videos, and each one is an installation. One for the being the just a regular bushing so everyone could see, and then the other one for the actual Ford guys that need it. So I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe.